The WE Knife Co. Banter has many of the right features that make it a great everyday carry. Good materials, solid construction, and a silky smooth action are only some of the things we love about the Banter. With a handle thickness of 0.45 inches, the WE Banter is slim and easy to slip into a pocket. It features a stout 2.9 inch blade made from premium CPM S35 VN blade steel and measures in at 6.5 inches overall. The Banter rides on precision ball bearing washers and comes standard with a minimal deep carry pocket clip. Gently textured G10 handles provide optimal grip without destroying your pockets. Is the WE Banter on your list of knives to buy? Let us know in the comments and click the link in the description to learn more about this EDC friendly pocket knife. For more knife reviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.